Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to today's first video, doing the 5-day forecast. Today's first video later on, it'll be later on this afternoon, perhaps even this evening. We're going to have a look at the coming month with the Bayesian Climate Centre. It'll be BCC Wednesday, and that'll be with you at Gazwaviz later today. But this is the 5-day forecast, going to have a detailed look at the weather next 5 days across the British Isles. It's going to start off really quite unsettled with low pressure close to the country. I think it will be settling down as we go through into the weekend and through to next week. As it does start to settle down, it'll turn a bit colder as well. We have got to think a bit over the weekend about the chance of some quite damaging late season night frost. So that'd be something to be a bit concerned about, I think, over the weekend if you've got any tender plants, vegetables or fruit blossom that you are worrying about. Until the weekend, though, it's going to be generally okay with the temperature, especially in the south, colder in the north, and it will be very unsettled as well. So if I get on with 5-day forecast, just mention the ads at Gazwaviz. There's links to articles on all the pages. Have a browse through widgets and click through the links if there's any articles that you're interested in. Thanks so much for doing that. There's video ads on most of the pages, so you open up the content when you watch your close back up again. It does help to pay for our website. The websites we're using for the 5-day forecast coming from theweatherout.com and websync.de. You can find the link to both websites on the links page. So we're going to start off with the radar picture from the Weather Outlook. We've still got the remnants of yesterday's rain, which was a bit of a deluge across parts of northern and eastern England. That's still left across Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England. And it's generally dying out and easing in intensity. There's one or two heavier bursts still left over high ground, but generally that is easing down. We've had a nice dry morning across much of England and Wales with warm sunshine, but we've got showers around the southern and southwestern coast. They're quite heavy at the moment down in the southwest. They will get more widespread and heavier through the course of this afternoon. So here's today's synoptic pressure chart. It's still a block set up with high pressure to the north and low pressure underneath it to the south. So we're going to find that the showery rain, persistent rain across Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England will sort of die down, and it'll ease away from, of course, this afternoon. For England and Wales, it'll be the reverse. We'll find clouds bubbling up this afternoon as the temperature rises, and that will spark off some quite heavy and maybe even thundery showers. There's a risk of hail and thunder, maybe a flash of lightning in some parts of southern England this afternoon. With light winds, those showers could merge to give longer spells of rain, or could give a longer spell of rain. So temperatures, despite the shower risk in the south, will be quite warm at around 17 Celsius, 63 Fahrenheit. But with these north to northeasterly winds across Scotland and Northern Ireland, it will be colder there with temperatures of just 8 to 10. Overnight, we're going to find that the showers ease away. They'll rumble on into the evening, they'll ease away back towards the coast overnight. Most places will become dry this evening and into the night. There could be mist and fog patches developing in some places as well. And the temperatures are going to do quite a drop, falling to around 5 or 6 degrees for many others. Some rural places could go as low as, say, 2 or 3 degrees. That is low enough for some ground frost in 1 or 2 places. We go through into Thursday, and we're going to find that we have a slightly quieter day, really, on Thursday. We'll start off on a mainly dry note with sunny spells coming through, maybe some mist and fog patches as well. Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, probably North Wales and the North Midlands will tend to stay mostly dry with sunny spells, but further south than that, I think we will spark off some showers tomorrow afternoon. They could be quite heavy again, maybe with a rumble of thunder, but I don't think they'll be quite as widespread as today's showers will be. By the end of Thursday afternoon, we'll probably find this area of low pressure bringing more persistent rain in towards the far south and southwest of England. Temperatures not quite as warm as today, tomorrow, but even so, we'll still be up around 15 or 16 degrees in the south. 16 is 61 Fahrenheit. Things turn really quite wet as we go through the night on Thursday into Friday across England and Wales. There'll be persistent and heavy outbreaks of rain, and more rain will be coming down into Scotland on Friday as well, and that's introducing colder air. I can show you the facts chart from the UK Met Office. This is the human interpretation of the models by the forecasters at Met Office. So for Friday, we've got this weather here across England and Wales. That's going to be quite active, giving quite a lot of heavy rain. This second occlusion coming down from the north, that won't be as active. It will have some rain on it, but the main thing about that one is that it's introducing colder air from the north. So this colder air could turn some of the rain on this weather front in the north, a little bit wintry. So for Friday, a very unsettled day. England and Wales will have outbreaks of heavy rain, maybe thundery in places. Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England will see lighter but still quite persistent rain moving southwards. And as the cold air digs in behind that, some of that rain could turn a bit wintry over higher ground of Scotland in particular. Temperatures in the south probably around 12 or 13 degrees. In the north going to be quite cold on Friday, certainly significantly colder than you'd expect for the middle part of April at just 6 or 7 Celsius. As we get through into Saturday, all those weather fronts will go away and we're left with this northerly wind as high pressure begins to move in from the Atlantic. So overnight, Friday and Saturday, we're going to have more outbreaks of rain across eastern parts of the country, particularly gradually pulling away in towards the North Sea. And then we're going to have these clearer skies moving down from the north. Temperatures will drop, and it could be quite a widespread frost to start Saturday morning. That could be quite significant, and because it's so late in the year, fairly damaging as well. Saturday itself will probably be quite a cloudy day. The best of any sunshine tending to be in the south and west, and north and the east getting the worst of the cloud. Could be some showers coming through, and they may be wintry over high ground of Scotland and northern England. Temperatures will be in single figures everywhere on Saturday, so ranging from around 5 Celsius in the far north to around 9 Celsius on the south coast. Colder than you would expect at this time of the year. And if skies do clear on Saturday night, there could be another really quite widespread, and because it's so late in the year, damaging frost. We get into Sunday and high pressure is building in from the Atlantic, so Sunday will be a quiet day with sunny spells coming through. Probably quite a lot of clouds still left in the north and the east. The best of the sunshine tend to be in the south and the west. Temperatures after a cold start will stage a little bit more of a recovery, up to around 10, 11 or 12 Celsius, but still a bit below par for the time of year. And then we finish the 5-day forecast on Monday with high pressure taking over the pattern. So Monday again could start off with a frost, maybe some mist and fog patches, but there should be mostly dry conditions by day with sunny spells. Temperatures will start to recover a bit as well, perhaps getting up to around 13 or 14 Celsius in the south. That's back closer to what you can expect for the middle part of April. Finally, have a look at the charts from the Weather Outlook. So we've got showers across the country through the course of this afternoon, especially across England and Wales. It will be drier or become drier in the north. Still got that showery rain left at the moment from yesterday in the north. That'll be easy away through the course of today. Thursday, more showers for England and Wales, drier in the north. Friday looks a very unsettled day with outbreaks of quite heavy rain across England and Wales. And cold air digging into Scotland could see rain there, turning wintry over high ground. We get into Saturday. There could be wintry showers in the north and the east. The southwest mainly dry. The thing you're going to notice on Saturday is quite a big drop in temperature. It will be a cold day, certainly colder than you expect at this time of year. And then Sunday and Monday should have a lot of quiet weather. And after a cold start, the temperatures will gradually start to recover. But even by Monday, we could still be at risk of some night frost. So in summary, it's really a two-way split in this next 5 days. The first part of the period will be unsettled with showers and longer spells of rain, particularly unsettled on Friday. Some of the showers will be heavy with risk of hail and thunder. From Saturday through to Monday, it turns a lot drier. It also turns colder, and there'll be a risk of night frost. Because we're so late into the season, we're well into spring, some of that frost could do damage to tender plants and fruit blossom. That's it for now. We're going to have the month-ahead look ahead with Beijing Climate Centre later on this afternoon, so come back for that. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.